up? It's Jesse. I'm not in right now. Leave it at the beat. Later.
Hey, baby, it's Jasmine. I can't see tonight. Something came up and I gotta go away for the weekend. But I'll call you when I get back. I miss you already. Be a good boy. Mwah.
She be out of town, and I was in the mood to fool around. So I called up Cassie, this redheaded flirt. I figured what my girlfriend doesn't know can't hurt. We went on a date, and that's when Cassie said she was down to do the nasty. I was with it, but then it dawned on me I had a girl that was willing, but where could I get busy? I couldn't go to my house cause my mom was home. Couldn't do it at a place because we couldn't be alone. Couldn't do it in my car, that would be degrading. I would've done it outside, but it was raining. Then I recalled the place where I could bring the freak. It's open 25 hours, 8 days a week. A nice little spot where I could knock 'em well. The $55 motel.
$55 motel, $55 motel. $55 motel, $55 motel. $55 motel, $55 motel. $55 motel.
Her eyes were blue and her body was fine, with nice round hips and a soft behind. She had the kind of body that'll make heads turn, and two round things that were big and firm. To make the mood comfortable, calm and nice, I supplied the Riuniti and of course the ice. After a sip of champagne, that's when I think she loosened up a bit and started getting kinky. She pulled me onto the king-size Fatmatic recliner, flipped me like a pancake, dangling on top like Aunt Jemima. The girl was going crazy and wild all night, like she was an ex-contestant on The Price is Right. I mean, yelling like a cheerleader, cheering me like a star, screaming Jesse, Jesse, sis boom bar. I was rocking those bells just like LL at the $55 motel.
$55 motel, $55 motel.
Yeah.
$55 motel, $55 motel. $55 motel, $55 motel.
I word 'em up.
$55 motel.
Now, after we was done, me and my freak put on the TV and tried falling asleep. But the couple next door was making a ruckus, banging away. I couldn't sleep, so bust this. I paid a quick visit to my neighbor and said, Mister, your girlfriend's barking like a Doberman pincher. Do me a favor, keep it down to a peak, cause ain't nobody at the motel can fall asleep. He said okay, that he'd try to stop her, but she kept screaming like the Phantom of the Opera. From 12 to 1 to 2 a.m. Every time I fall asleep, she starts screaming again. At first, I was mad, but then got curious to see what kind of freak could shriek like this. I mean, all through the night, the yelling got iller, but the more I heard the screaming, the more the girl sounded familiar. I could've swore I recognized the shout. I started thinking, and then I figured it out. It was my girlfriend. Yo, what the hell? At the $55 motel?
$55 motel, $55 motel.
Say what?
$55 motel, $55 motel. $55 motel, $55 motel.
Yo, I got played.
$55 motel.
4, 3, 2, 1. Diamond. Talk to me now. Cruising down the street.
Real slow, what the fellas be yelling?
Morale. Talk to me now. Cruising down the street.
Real slow, what the fellas be yelling?
Now sit back and relax so you can hear what I say and realize it's coming from the T-H-I-C-K. I'm like Dick 'em, so give me a smack or smack your back. React whack to my attack and get a cardiac arrest. Stop breathing, harder stop pumping. Rhymes still kicking, crowds still jumping. The dig inside your chest to see what's blocking them arteries. And they'll find no rhyme that's to pardon me. Lyrical rush, I sleep my mouth and disperse. When the R calls for 7 more, I'll be first. Cause I'm smooth, prominent, influential, dominant. Can take the situation good or bad and put a rhyme in it. No need to get ignorant, belligerent, or violent. Cause real bad boys hit hard and move silent. Tongue like a whip, laying lashes on your ass, see? Sucker jump stupid, watch the scene get nasty. The things you're trying to do, I done already did. I'm the horror you would dream about when you was a kid. But now you're grown and you're sick, cause you can't defeat this. Don't wanna back down, cause that's a sign of weakness. That's the previous battle, you thought that was the last of me. But now I'm back and I'm causing a catastrophe. Look in my eyes and you're wondering what that flash could be. That's my mind reacting telepathically.
Cruising down the street.
Real slow, what the fellas be yelling?
Cruising down the street.
Real slow, what the fellas be yelling?
Death up the depth, that is my finale, see? Hold up and hard, straight up, that's reality. I'm hitting like a Mack truck, all you suckers back up. I will never slack up, suckers I'll rack up. This is the point I'm trying to get across to you. I'm a judge and here's what I'm used to. Bullets flying, all my homies dying. Defendants lying, parents crying. Wannabes trying, suckers defying. You think that I'm with you, blink your eyes and I'm flying. Cause living in America is getting scarier. One day you're rolling it, the next day bury you. Crack and marijuana are ruling the streets. They're rolling them both together and they're calling them geeks. But yo, it's up to you. What you like, some choose to smoke geeks. Some like to hit the pipe like a freak, I know. Drawing up just like a toothpick. So a rocker should be on that trick quick. But it keeps happening, I don't know why. 13-year-old girls tricking for a high. They know them sex for drug deals. Keep kicking them, cause while you're tricking them, big Stu's kicking them.
Cruising down the street.
Real slow, what the fellas be yelling?
Cruising down the street.
Real slow, what the fellas be yelling?
Now where I'm from, there's a cat called Buck. He's breaking down on brothers that's slinging them rocks. In Chateau Ames, crack is taking control. 3 times a night you hear a man in the hole. Now at this cry, you'll see that brothers commits to running. Cause man in the hole means the white folks are coming. Brothers break out like bats out of hell. They hit the shortcut, running to Haydale. Now they're stupid down like birds on a perch. Still slinging big 20s in front of our church. Now they're sold out, bragging, none of them caught us. Till they see Chetty or one of the porters and back into Ames. Like when through the buildings is a Jordan wearing nightmare known as Joe Williams. He sees my rot and say I'm down with the mob. Cause of the rag crews and Vogues and the candy paint job. Throughout my gangster career, to show that I had no fear was the diamond in the hoop sported in the left ear. And when I'm walking the street, you find suckers are trying. But as you know, I'm from a rebel, so I'm